This is a Nissan 3-button remote head key. So it's got the key portion, it's got the remote head, so it's not a proximity. Now to replace the battery on this one, if you look around, you see the little spot, but we have a little tiny Phillips screw in there holding it together. Again, I like to use my SOG. You have a little jeweler's knife, it's a Phillips or whatever. The SOG's got a really good one on this one. And left to loosen. Now if it doesn't come out right away, just give it a little twist to the right and then go left. Don't strip these. They're not really held in that tight. Once you get really old ones, Hondas are about the worst when you get the old Hondas. They just are real trouble to get apart. So again, just very, very easy to pull out. Now we can go on the little spot here. Just give it a little tiny twist. And something else came out there. Oh, that's the chip. That's the transponder chip. So again, when we pull it out, you can see the contacts are there. There's our battery. And this one is a CR 1620. And this little piece is the chip. If you don't put that back in, the doors will open, but the car won't start. So that's your transponder chip. Pretty easy. We know it goes. It says, got a little thing down there, plus side down. We also can tell by the contacts if you get confused. Again, make sure you put your chip back in. Just clip her together. It's just a press fit. Now the batteries I like to use, using Energizers here. I like the brand names. It just snaps together nicely. I don't like to stick with the dollar store batteries. They just don't do the trick. So stick with the brand names. Energizer, Duracell. Sony's got some good ones. Panasonic. So again, there's our 3-button remote. Pretty easy. We put our screw back in. Now you don't crank these down when you're tightening them up. Just thread it nicely. Again, you could use jewelers, little Phillips, anything you want. Just snug, give it a little bit more. You don't have to crank it. It's held together really nice. This is your Nissan remote head key, 3-button. I'll just go through it just one more time quickly again. As a screw has to come out first. Left to loosen. If it's tight, crank her tight first. Right to tighten just a little bit, and then give it a good crank to the left. It comes out nicely. Left to loosen. Pull out. Try not to strip it. Now you will see there is a little tiny mark down here where you can put our little flathead screwdriver. Just give it a little twist. It's coming out there. Again, if this fell out earlier, that's the transponder chip. So there's our battery. There's the contacts. Little tiny, very little pressure. And again, this one takes a CR 1620. So even has a little plus down there, so you know plus goes down. Put our chip back in. Without this little chip, your transponder chip, your car will not start. Get everything lined up nicely. Just clips in there. And don't forget, put in your screw, Phillips head screw, snug, and give it just a little tiny, like I say, you don't want to reef this down. So it's snug now, just give it a little bit more. You don't want to crank it, it's just going to break it. So again, Nissan 3-button remote head key. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.